Hi friends, let's go into Hobby Lobby to see what they have for spring. I'm gonna look more for like kitchen stuff. All right, so right here is the barbecue section, which I love because they have all the matching red buffalo check, the kitchen towels, then they have some red towels, and then this is another kitchen towel. I just love it because it's so matchy and it's like so perfect for barbecue and for a picnic. So they have pot holders. I just love them. And then they have all these barbecue kitchen towels that are really cute. They have a big variety. I like that one because it has a green buffalo check in the back. That one's really cute too. Heard that. That one's cute. Then they have beef and pork. Alright, and I like these glasses, these plastic ones. I don't know, it's just like so picnicky to me. I just love it. And then they have these other drinking bottles. And I like these. These are salt and pepper shakers. Really cute. If you want to do like a whole like barbecue, party, this is perfect. So these are, I think you put like hot plates on that. I'm not sure. I think so. Those are cute though. And then they have timers. They're really cute. This is a hamburger one, $5.99. And this one is my favorite. It's very retro. And then they have the tiniest little grater. It's really cute. I think you could use that. Okay, and then they have little cast iron pans. I like this one. I would use this as a server and make a hamburger and put the hamburger in french fries and serve it, to your guests. Just something fun. That's a good idea if you're doing like a barbecue party, dad's barbecue mug. And then they have an eats trivet. It's really cute. You can use that for decorations too. And then it has your beef, your poultry, how, if it's cooked properly. Okay, and then they have these plates. These are cute plates. They're actually, you put your plate on top of this. It's just to make your barbecue a little more fancier. And then these are little baskets. You put your french fries in there. You can put your hamburger and your hot dogs. I actually have those, and I love to do that with my kids in the summer and, my friends. All right, and then this is so cute. I love it. That is a charger, and then this is a tablecloth. They have many sizes, if you have a different size table, round, square. Okay, and that has to do something with the meat. I don't know. That's like a bottle opener. And these are like picks, kind of like toothpicks. So they have everything that you can possibly want for your barbecue, for fun times in the summer. Barbecuing, that's my favorite. I love to barbecue. So they have all the utensils. I love this. I want to buy this because you can use that inside too whenever you want to bake something. So I like this. Very cute. All right, right here they have like whatever you can imagine. I just love this whole little section. I love the utensils anyway, so, and I like that. That's like to clean your grill. They have everything, I'm telling you. Then they have the aprons in black and white, black and red, sorry. And I like those little like pot holders because they just go like on the tip of your fingers. Those are. All right, and then they got some fancy utensils with the brass handles. They're really cute. They come in these two blues. But I think there's more to the set, but I guess they're putting it in slowly, so we have to wait. All right, and then they have a lot of spring things that are going to come in. You can see it's very empty, but I just want to give you a quick look of what's to come. So those are going to be all filled with goodies. I like that. All right, so then I found this buffalo plaid in gray. I fell in love with it. That's a napkin, a kitchen, I think, towel. Yes. And look how cute this is. It's a bottle opener. It says Coca-Cola. But I just love because they're such neutral, the colors. Like a gray. All right, and then pot holders. I'm loving this set. And then I just love this muted, it's not even a gray, it's not even a beige. I just love this whole collection. I just love it. And then again, this is like a trivet. And then they have kitchen towels. And then this is a placemat. It's very pretty. That's a soap dispenser. That's like a plastic trivet too. $3.99. Spoon rest. And this is so adorable. It's a salt and pepper in a little galvanized basket. I love that. That is so cute. I've seen that before. I don't know if I've seen it in Hobby Lobby or somewhere else. I don't remember because I go to so many stores. Okay, and then they have some mugs. I don't think everything's out yet, guys, but this is what's to come. Now, these bowls are plastic bowls, perfect for the summer. Comes in a cream and then a blue. Very pretty. And then they have some canisters down there. Let's take a peek. These are really pretty. I love the neutral colors. $13.99. And then they have this basket that's very pretty for your utensils, for your flatware. You could even put your napkins back there in the big slot. That's what I do. You know, if you're having like a barbecue. All right, then they have galvanized. And then this is a big galvanized square platter, server platter. That's really nice. I like that one. And then this is really cute. It's made out of stone. It's to put your kitchen utensils in there. $9.99. It's pretty heavy, but I love that look. All right, so right here, I think this is a cutting board. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it is. This is very farmhouse-ish. All right, this is really cute. I love that. And then I like what it says in the back too. I don't know, that's very farmhouse to me, and I love that. I just love the look. And then it's a salt and pepper shaker in like little, like mason jars it's supposed to be. Those are really cute, those little birdies. And then they have some mugs. These are really cute mugs. And then I like this Farm Girl and Craft Queen. Those are cute. And they have white plates, which is very farmhouse style. And these are really cute canisters. I just love those canisters, just the shape of it. They have a cow, they have a rooster, and then they have the pig. I like these. I might come and buy these. They're really cute. And then they have some of the canisters, very farmhouse-ish. And then they have these kitchen canisters that are really cute. They're like milk jugs. That's the shape of it. And they have little roosters. And then they have these plates with the cows and the chickens. And then these. I came in for these because they had bunnies, but no bunnies. All they had was the cow and the horse and the pig. They're really cute. I like them. But they had the mug and the plate, you know, a bunny. It was so cute. I wanted it for Easter. I wanted to make, you know, my table that. All right, anyway, and then I dream of shiplap mugs. I think they had this mug before I seen it. They're cute. And what else? All right, and then they've always had these cotton stems. I seen them. All right, knife, fork, and spoons. I like this. This is really cute. $34.99. And then I've seen this big jar, which I'm kind of in love with, because look what it has in the front. I don't know. I just love it. It says peanuts and 5 cents. I might come and get that jar. And then they have this cute red pig server that I would go for the barbecue section. All right, and then I found this. This is for your food, so the flies or anything won't go on it. I think it's really cute. It closes up. You put the food in there. It's so perfect for the barbecue. For summertime, outdoor summertime, when you're eating, so perfect. And then they have all these dishes. These are plastic dishes. It looks like more is coming in. And then I noticed they have like these hand soaps and these soaps that smell really beautiful. They're so perfect for your kitchen. and they did smell really good. And that's like a lemon, I think that's tablecloth. It looks like more is coming in, so I will be coming back and I will show you more. But I just wanted to just show you a little before it gets crazy and they mess everything up. Anyway, they have nice gingham plates, and looks like more stuff are gonna come in. I can't wait. And then I saw this cooler. I thought it was really cute, and I just love the color. More kitchen utensils. If you're in the market for kitchen utensils, go to Hobby Lobby, guys. And I love this color too. They had everything. Pot holders, aprons. All right, more hand soaps and lotions and soap bars. I'm telling you, this one smells really, really good. This linen one, I think that would be perfect for your bathroom. Yeah. All right, and then I found this mug. It's so pretty for spring. I'm in love with this. The colors, $11.99 a mug. Pricey. Gotta wait for that sale. All right, and then I found a bowl, and they have plates, $13.99. But this just makes me so happy, this pattern. Very pretty. It's a serving platter. Those we've seen already. Those are the cotton stem ones. All right, and then they have more spring placemats, round ones. All right, and then I found this big cutting board. I love big cutting boards like this because I make heroes on there. I cut everything up and then I cut it up and just serve it. It's so easy. I love big cutting boards like that. And then they have wood, kind of like serving platter and then plate, but they're not real wood. $3.99. And then they have this beautiful canister set in copper. I am so in love with it. I think it's so pretty and so perfect for the kitchen. I love copper in the kitchen. So pretty. Comes in 3 sizes, more cutting boards. I love cutting boards, but I love this round one. And then they have a square one. And then they have more table runners, which I love. And I'm loving this really muted gray. They're very, very pretty. This one is pretty with the fringes. I love it. And then this is blue and white, very farmhouse. I love that one. I actually had that one, I think. All right, this one's really pretty, like in a brown. They had some coasters with some roosters on it. $9.99. This is a placemat. It's like a plastic placemat with roosters on it. This one is really pretty for spring. I just love it. Nice and white. And then they had this eyelet placemat, which I love. I love eyelet. I love lace. I love crochet. That is my thing. These are really pretty. They're runners and table placemats. All right, and I found a gingham tablecloth. I think that's plastic. More tablecloths. They have a lot of tablecloths, guys. This one's pretty too. And then I found this one that matches with the set I love. That buffalo check right here. I just love it. I just feel like going with this color in my kitchen. So I'm debating. I just love it. It's so pretty. Loving that gray this year. These are little coasters. They're really cute. $11.99. All right, guys, thank you for coming with me to Hobby Lobby. I wanted to check out the spring things, and I will be going back because it looks like a lot of shelves were empty. They're going to bring in more goodies, so stay tuned for more videos. I will take you along to show you what they have for spring and for summer, so more videos are coming up. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share my video, tell a friend, and I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!